How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be doing something different. That should be my motto at this point. I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Don't worry, this channel is not becoming an unboxing channel. I just have tons of things that I need to open, and I figured what better way to open it than on camera. In this video, we have the Eachine EV100s. If you aren't familiar with what these are FPV goggles. These are goggles you would wear when you're flying a drone. Most people use them in quad racing. I've been really wanting to get into the hobby, and I saw tons of videos, and about 90% of the videos that I saw about how to get into drone racing was to purchase some equipment, start doing drone racing on a computer for more like simulators before you jump into the hobby. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll give more details on that. You're not here about simulators, you're here to watch this unboxing. So let's get started. Before I do this, I want to say that I am a complete novice when it comes to drone racing. I've never raced a drone. I've flew very few drones. I'm going to build a drone later on this year, but for the time being, I'm going to be sticking to simulators. Never wore fat sharks. This will be the first drone goggles I'm going to put on. Fat sharks are the industry standard for most people. And the problem that I have with reviews on the EV100s is that they base it on their history, or what they've worn in the past, which normally most of the time is fat sharks. Fat sharks are the highest grade, highest quality of drone goggles. They're also the most, well, they're probably not the most expensive, but they're definitely up there. They're around $300, and I'm not going to purchase a $300 goggle just to see if I want to stay in the hobby. This is more of a test here. If I like it, I'm going to stay in it. I may upgrade to fat sharks eventually. So guys, yes, this is the EV100s. I'm going to be putting them on. This will be my first ever drone goggles or FPV goggles I'm going to have on my face. So my opinion about this is going to be completely pure, completely cleansed of fat sharks, because I have not worn fat sharks. So if you're here and you want to see what the complete novice, the complete basic of people and what they think about this, as far as my opinions, you're here for the right reasons. So let's jump right into it. Let's get the unboxing. Let's just rip this off. I saw I got a tear here. Alright. Plastic away. Make sure we don't have any tape. Nope. So, face it your way so you can see a little better. Let's go and unbox this for the first time. Alright, so we see for the very first time opening Eachine EV100s goggles. This is probably, so we got a band and frequency table, a battery guide, so here we got the fabric here. Let's go ahead and peel this off and get this out. This is going to be what you'll want to wipe down the lens with. Alright, just normal material there. Nice. And here are the goggles. So I'm going to pull these bad boys out. So they feel, I've never felt fat sharks. I've never felt any goggles. They feel pretty solid. I mean, yeah, it feels like hard plastic, but I mean, you can't expect to get still with these guys. I mean, they are pretty nice. All right, so we're gonna set this here. I mean, it feels solid, to be honest. Let's see, I guess we got something over here. This feels kind of heavy, possibly a battery. Let's go and open this bad boy up. And I was right, so this is the battery. It also comes with a DVR cable here. If you purchase a DVR, which I think is $15 on Banggood, then that's what you would plug in right there. Probably don't need to charge this up. So I'm gonna set this right here. Let's see. This is light, probably the antennas. All right, so you get the first glance inside that box there. You got the cable. The cable feels kind of high quality. Not really, it doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it's a nice charger. So let's try and just pull this out here. There's the antennas. I've heard things about these antennas that they're not that great. When I decide to do the FPV racing, I'm definitely going to be upgrading this. And here's some Velcro. I'm guessing this is for the battery, not completely sure. Alright, so the box, I didn't show you what the box had on it, but mainly it just gives you the contents. There's a logo with a QR code. There's all the features. I'm just going to move the box aside. Alright, so back to the goggles. Let's screw these on. I really don't think I need these for the simulations I'm going to be doing, but let's go ahead and get these on. Make sure I get these on right. Alright, I don't know how tight these guys normally go. Okay, there they are. I hope you guys are liking these unboxings. I know that unboxings are pretty boring, but I mean, I'm just doing this because I have, like I said, I have a tons of technology, and nice, okay, very cool. And I figured it'd be best to unbox it. Alright guys, so at the bottom here, here's the on-off switch. This is the IPD. This basically allows you to change the focal point for your pupils to allow you to look through these guys. Looks like I got plastic on this. I may see if I need to remove that. I probably do, so I will. This is for your channels. This is for brightness. I'm looking at the guide while I'll tell you guys this. Oh yeah, this is the fans. I'm sorry, this is the fans off and on. And this is of course to plug it in if you want to plug it in here. This right here is going to be for like a I think it's the 3.5 to red, yellow, and white output. I'm not completely sure. So yeah, that's these. I'm going to plug the battery up and we'll test it out in a few minutes. See you then. Alright guys, so I got you on my camera. I guess this will be like a face unveiling for the channel. So here's the EV100s right here. And this will be my first impression. I'm gonna put these guys on. First time novice. I have never worn FPV goggles, so you're not gonna hear an opinion from someone that's worn a Fat Shark. This will be the first time ever wearing goggles like this. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it up. Alright, I got a beep. I'm guessing the battery goes right here. That's probably searching the sound that you was hearing was probably searching the channels. So here is the goggles again. I'm gonna put these bad boys on. Oh wow, okay. This is different. Okay, so let me get this in focus here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Just gotta get this just right, guys. Alright. Let's see here. I think this is looking good. I'm out of focus, so I'm just getting everything in focus here. Yeah, I can definitely see that screen. Very cool. I like that. So for me, the first time using these goggles ever, I've never worn a Fat Shark, I've never worn the Aeroways, I've never worn the big screens. I'm very impressed. The screen is clear, everything is in focus with my pupils. I can see the screen clearly, and yeah, I can definitely fly some drones with this. I'm very impressed. And this is just a pure review of someone that's never worn FPV goggles before. I mean, this material here doesn't feel that comfortable. On my nose, it's pretty rough. So I got some replacements for these. I ordered these because I've heard they can cause problems. So I'm definitely gonna be using that because it's pretty rough on my nose. But besides that, man, this is awesome. I'm very impressed. Makes me want to get into the hobby even more. Very nice. Okay, where's the fans? Let's see how loud the fans are. Let's see if I can find the fans. Okay, the fans are going. I can't even hear them until I get really. expensive at all. Yeah, I can hear a slight sound, but not nowhere near loud as to bother me. So yeah, this is awesome. Alright guys, sorry to keep you guys waiting. So yeah, I have thoroughly enjoyed these. I'm going to be swapping out this right here. So let me do that now while I got you guys here with me, since we're doing a video on this. So this is Velcro right here that I'm peeling off. So let me peel these off. And it just peels off like this. I've heard people complain about these. I've heard that, and I'm not gonna wear it like this, but I just want to see how close it is. I've heard people say that it's too far away with those on, and they'd rather have the others. So one moment, and I'm gonna get the Fat Shark Velcro to go in here. It's on there. So let me put this in, see what it feels like. First, let me fix the battery. I know that's what that Velcro is here for, but I'm just testing it out. So I'm just gonna leave the battery like this, the way it is. And I'll fix it later on. All right. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, this Fat Shark Velcro is definitely better. Let me make sure I'm looking good. Alright, yeah, this Fat Shark Velcro is definitely better. It feels more comfortable. My nose, I guess because I have a large nose, it's kind of rough on it, but I mean, this is definitely something I can live with. I can definitely fly with this. I'm very impressed. But guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Eachine EV100s. If you guys have never wore Fat Sharks, never wore Airways, if you guys never wore these FPV goggles at all, I highly recommend these. This was not a paid promotion. This is just my honest opinion. I'm going to be using these in the near future, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.